Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria. I hope you're all doing great. I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with all of you. I really didn't get any craft supplies this time around, which seems to be the new normal for me because I'm really just trying to use up things that I have. And as long as I still see them at the Dollar Tree, I'm hopefully going to create a DIY with them. This time around, I just happened to pop into the regular Dollar Tree that I go to see if I would see any new items. But really, there was nothing new, and that was the same thing with the winter Christmas items. There wasn't a whole lot that wowed me. But this time, I went in and I did pick up a few food items. And then I came across an item that I was so excited to find. It was a brand name item. And if you care to see what that item is, then keep on watching. Okay, so to begin the haul, I'm going to go through all the food items that I picked up. This is a staple. My kids love the Coverage Bridge potato chips. They are the home style ketchup kettle cooked chips. You get 102 grams, 3.6 ounces. Now they don't eat them all the time, but when they do, they really like these ones. So I did pick up another bag. I picked up the Dr. Oetker. I don't know if I'm saying that wrong. Forgive me if I am. The Mousse Surprise. The sticker is covering it, but I think that's what it says. Double chocolate instant, great for icing, instant dessert mix. This was a $2 item. I picked up a couple of those. I also picked up this Hershey's chocolate bar, creamy milk chocolate, 100 grams. As you can see, $1.75. I also picked up the Dr. Oetker Sheriff Pudding, cooked pudding and pie filling. Makes 1 pie or 6 puddings. And again, another $2 item. Well, I thought there were 2 packets in here, but apparently it makes only the 1 pie. Then I picked up, as you can see, quite a few of the Annie's organic grass-fed classic mild cheddar macaroni and cheese. It says cheese from grass-fed cows, made with goodness, no artificial flavors, synthetic colors, or preservatives. So you can see it is organic. So I did get quite a few of those, and I think these were $1.50. Also $1.50. I picked up about 12 of the Authentica World Cuisine Siciliana red plum tomatoes and sun-dried tomato sauce. And this is a product of Italy. It's 530 mils. I did try looking this up online, and American, I believe it's sold for around $6. So this was a really great deal. Now, we do make our own homemade tomato sauce, but I do like to sometimes have other types of sauces that I either mix in with the one that we make just to stretch it out a little bit more, or sometimes I just like to try something a little bit different. And my brother came across this and tried it and loved it. So I wanted to look for some myself, and I did get quite a few jars to give it a try. And it is non-GMO, verified. It is gluten-free and vegan. So that was a really nice find as well. Next up, I came across some spritzers, and these are the Casal Domingo spritzer. The first one that I picked up here is the Pinot Grigio in the pear, 90 calories, natural flavors, non-alcoholic wine beverage. So 355 mils. I also picked up the Zinfandel Strawberry Blush. And I thought I had picked up 2 of the Berry Blast, but I guess I only picked up 1. And this one is sugar-free, no artificial sweeteners. It is with stevia and 5 calories for this. And it looks really good. So I'm really excited to give these a try to see how they taste. So yeah, pretty fun find. Next, just a mixture of items. I needed some waste bags for my dog. So I picked up the Greenbrier Kennel Club dog waste bags. There are 42 in this package, so that was a good deal. And I also picked up my pup, this adorable little bear. It kind of reminded me of him because he is this color, and then he has a little bit of white under his, around his mouth, just like the bear here. So I think he will enjoy that. And this one has like a crinkle in it. So can't wait to give that to him. I picked up some nylon cable ties. Now I use these for reborning, but not for my final product. A lot of times I like to put the doll together just to see how it feels, the weight of it, just how it sits. And so instead of using my better cable ties that are smaller and better for the dolls, I just use these since they're inexpensive. I got 25 in this package, so I picked up those. And then another usual thing that I end up getting for my daughter is the Suave Essentials Sun Ripe Strawberry with strawberry extract and vitamin E energizing conditioner. And it's 443 mils, and I always put this in her hair because she has very tight curls, and that helps a lot, and it smells really nice as well. And then I picked up, because I thought they were kind of cute, these Avenger Squish Foamy, they're called. So there was one with the Hulk and then the other one with Captain America. So I just picked up those just to have because I thought they were cute. Next, in the decor area, I didn't really find a whole lot, but I did find these wooden beads that I thought were really nice to add to a tiered tray. It has a tassel on the bottom, and then it is looped around on the jute twine. So I did pick up 2 of those. And then I came across these mirrors, and anytime Dollar Tree comes out with these type of mirrors, I love to get them because I just love this style. Now these ones are really nice because they are bigger than the previous ones that they've had. And it is a really nice size, and they had the white as well as black, but the black seems to have like a goldish brushed on look to it, but I thought they were really nice. So this was a wonderful find as well. Okay, so and the last items that I have to show you are all things that I picked up for my reborning supply stash. So first I came across these Goody Girls, they are hair clips, and I can go ahead and take one off to show you what they look like. So it's like this, and then in the back it has the fabric covered little clip. So these are great for my bigger dolls. I can add this clip to a regular headband, and then they have a pretty bow that I can add to a doll. So I picked up one in pink and then one in navy blue. I also came across these hair clips, and these are, I'm pretty sure, for spring, Easter, and they're really pretty. You get 3 clips in total, and these have the metal alligator clip in the back. So I picked up the purple with the pearls, the blue with the pearls, and then this yellowish green with the pearls. Really pretty. And then by Angel of Mine, I came across this. I hadn't seen before. Normally I would see the two hats sold separately and then the scratch mitts, like a set of two, sold separately. But this is a 3-piece newborn 0+ months baby hat and scratch mitts. So you get the hat and then a set of scratch mitts, which I thought was really nice. And the hats seem really nice as well. So I picked up this print, a regular, it's like a grayish, yeah, pretty much like a, it seems like it has a bit of a green tinge to it, but I believe it's gray. And then this one I really liked. So that was a nice find as well. And then on to the last items, which I was most excited about. Okay guys, so these items were the items I was most excited about. I first went to the baby aisle, as I normally do, to see if they have any new items, and I didn't see anything that was new. But once I got to the end of the aisle, on the end cap were all these goodies. So I have seen the Aloe Cosé baby diapers before, and I decided to get another package in the size 1, but they had various sizes, which is great. There's 21 in a pack, and I did look these up before, and you're getting a really great deal for getting them for $2. They are with Italian technology, original, excellent, derma tested, clinically tested, 5-star guarantee, super breathable, high elasticity, high absorbency, up to 12 hours of dryness, and wetness indicator. So that I had seen, but then I saw MAM products. And I was so excited about this because pacifiers are not cheap. And Dollar Tree does sell some, but I love the MAM pacifiers. I love how they look, the quality of them. So to be able to find these at Dollar Tree was a score for me. So, okay, sorry guys, I don't know, my camera is acting up. And I think it cut off me filming somewhere, so I'm gonna go through all the pacifiers again. So as I said earlier, they had packages that had 2 pacifiers, and then they had some that had 3. They were all for $2, and you could see they are the MAM Designed to Soothe, BPA free, and just adorable pictures on them and colors. I love these. So there you see the octopus and the pelican, the hummingbird and the little tiger in the pink. In blue, this really pretty elephant, which is hard to see in this lighting, and a fox, a seahorse, and various fish in pink and white, a whale, mama whale with the baby, and then a walrus, a turtle, and a crab. I tried to pick up one of each. I really wanted to take them all. This kitty cat in the blue, and then the llama in gold. And then these were the 3 packs, just with different patterns on them. And this one looks like a car in the blue. And this one was the same. I did pick up 2 packs of these because you're getting 3 for $2. And then this was the pink, red, and green pack. The kitty cat. And then again, another pack of 3. And then I saw that they had the baby bottles. The MAM Easy Start Anti-Colic reduces air bubbles and colic. And I don't know if you could see the pattern. This was in a gray color. And it has bunnies on it. So cute. And then they had the same bottle in pink with the owl. So these were the smaller size. So the age on this was 0+ months. And then they had the larger bottle, but I only saw it in the pink. And that's for 2+. So I thought these were an awesome deal. I hope that they have more when I go back, because I probably will pick up a few more, because these are great items for me to have once I sell a doll. If I want to add a few little goodies to the doll in the box, these are really nice to have along with the Reborn. So I was really excited about all of the items that I found. And I hope that you enjoyed this haul. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. And as always, guys, you take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.